Capiche means do you understand? Cheerio means goodbye. Ciao means goodbye. Cut the comedy means stop acting silly and telling jokes, or be serious. Cut the chase means to get the important matters. Dance on someone's grave means to celebrate someone's misfortune. A day late and a dollar short means unfortunately inadequate. Dear me means an expression of mild dismay or regret. Dig in means please start eating your meal. Dig up means listen carefully. Do tell means a response to one of a series of statements by another person. Do you follow means do you understand what I'm saying? Do you get the picture means do you understand the situation? You know what means an expression used to open a conversation or switch to a new topic. Do you mind means you are intruding my space, or you are bothering me, or do you object to what I'm poised to do? Does it work for you means is this all right with you? Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more daily lessons and contents, and also remember to hit that like button. Don't ask means you would not like the answer you would get, or it is so bad I do not wish to be reminded about it. Don't be gone too long means goodbye, hurry back here. Don't be so picky means don't be so choosy. Don't be too or so sure means I think you are wrong, so don't sound so certain. Don't bet on it means don't assume anything, it is not happening. Don't bother means please don't do it, it is not necessary. Don't hold your breath means it will take longer for it to happen than you can possibly hold your breath means it'll take a very long time for it to happen. Don't I know it means I know that very well. Don't make me laugh means don't make such ridiculous statements, they only make me laugh. Don't mind me means don't pay attention to me, just ignore me. Don't push me means don't put pressure on me to do something. Don't speak too soon means I think you may be wrong, so don't speak before you know the facts. Don't spend it all in one place means a catchphrase said after giving someone some money, especially a small amount. Don't sweat it means don't worry about it. Don't tell a soul means please don't tell anyone the gossip. Alright guys, that's the end of today's lesson. Remember to like this video and to subscribe to my channel for more daily lessons and contents. Please be mind to watch my other contents as well. I'm Steve and I will see you with another video tomorrow.